want you to see these two yellow lines. Everyone looking? Hey! This Friday is the last new grade of the third 9 weeks. And this Friday is the test. So that test is the last new grade of the third 9 weeks. That doesn't mean every grade is due Friday, but that does mean after Friday, once I put that test in, your grade cannot go down. So it's like the floor. Can't go lower than that. So I call it the frozen floor. Okay? That means you have 1 week after this Friday, which will be the 10th, next Friday, to get everything turned in. Okay, so you kind of have like a week to figure it out. So you'll know like, hey, if I do nothing, this is my grade. I have 1 week to raise my grade. Cool? And then it's spring break time. All right, so let's make sure we do great at our review, so that way we do great on our test on Friday. That way we can pass by next Friday, get a good third 9 weeks grade. Because if you're not passing for the third 9 weeks, then you're going to need to get an extra high grade for the fourth 9 weeks so you can pass for the second semester. I want everyone to pass for the second semester, so let's focus for these 2 weeks, yes? And let's focus on this warm-up. By the way, we get out of here at 12:42, about 30 minutes, so let's knock this out. Aiden for sure got this right. So Aiden, what's our first step? When we're trying to get an in. All right, so we're going to turn f of x into y. Very good. All right, second step. What do I do with x and y? All right, switch places. So I have x equals 10 to, x equals 10 to the y minus 4. Yes, true. Hold on. Yesterday, was it yesterday? Yes, we did notes on how to do this. Do I immediately turn this into a log, or do I have to do something else first? All right. Loner. See that minus 4 in the back? Everybody, y'all see that minus 4? Loner, got to go first. What's the opposite of minus 4? All right, plus 4 on both sides, and it's going to go after the x. So I get x plus 4 equals 10, and the y is an exponent, right? So this is what we call exponential. We hopefully know that the inverse of exponential is logarithmic. So to bring the y out of the exponent, what do I have to do? Turn it into a log. Did I tell you how you can remember that? Y is up in the exponent, like a very tall tree. The only way to fell that tree and bring it down is to cut it with an axe. You cut it, and you cut it, and you cut it, and it makes all these little logs when you cut it. And you do it in like a certain amount of time, repeatedly, and it makes like a rhythm. It's the logarithm. And it brings it down like a cutting down a tree. Hey, I worked on that joke, not one laugh. All right, here we go. Let's write this down. Log. I guess I haven't used capital L. Let's do log. Now, besides you, everybody else. Okay. What number is going to be the little base down here? The base of the exponent. Okay, so log, little 10. Okay, now what goes next to it? Is it the left side or the exponent? Left side goes right here. Okay, so log 10, and I like to parenthesize that. That's a word. Equals, and the answer is the exponent, the y. So we brought down the y like we were chopping down a tree, making little logs in a rhythmic fashion, logarithm. All right, so since we have y by itself, now we can write it as a inverse function notation. That's a horrible F. Let's try that again. F inverse x equals log base 10 x plus 4. That's it. Cool. Now you have to do that on your assignment that you got yesterday, 6.5. Does everyone have 6.5? If you don't, right here. Right? So I'm giving you time to finish 6.5. You got a little time because we got a shorter class, but some of us need to do corrections, and I'm going to get you to do that first. That's your priority if you need to do corrections. Here we go.